With so much advancement in technology, everyone is adopting new inventions and innovations to enjoy a better lifestyle. In this article, we're going to explain some of the best gadgets you must buy to reduce your daily life hassles. Bedside shelf. Where's my key? Where's my remote? Where's my headphones? These are some major troubles that everyone faces in their daily life. Due to so many busy schedules, people usually forget about their previous activities, and sometimes it becomes hard to find anything when they're in need. This bedside shelf is the perfect solution for all the above-mentioned problems and covers you well. It helps you to clear up your bedside area and makes all small items such as phone, earplugs, and remote easier to find. Made of high-quality plastic material and comes in 8.2 by 8.2 size, the self-stickiness feature allows you to install it on your wall easy and save space for you. You can even use it to place your manicure kit beside your bed. STARRY night light projector for bedroom. To give a realistic sky look to your room's ceiling, this STARRY night light projector is perfect for you, which comes with a combination of 4 colored setups: red, blue, white, and green, and can give you a 6-color array at a time. Using a remote controller, you can easily access all the features without going out of your bed. For example, ocean wave, stars, lightning change mode, music mode, volume, and auto offsetting. You can easily connect it with your smartphone via Bluetooth settings and listen to the music according to your mode. The lightning array works with the rhythm of music, and the ocean wave effect gives you a relaxed feeling. It can easily be used for birthday functions, room decor, wedding, Christmas, and anniversary. Fairy lights for bedroom. These string lights are a perfect combination for bedroom decor, as well as for outdoor functions, as they are waterproof and comes with 8 modes. With an automated remote control provided, you can easily set a time to turn these lights on or off automatically. Easily rechargeable because the USB port is compatible with any charger, so you don't have to purchase an extra charger. These lights also feature a passive cooling system, which means you can use them in Halloween decor, holiday parties, commercial buildings, and shopping centers, etc., without being worried about accidental burns or short-circuiting. LED strip lights for TV. This all-in-one kit provides you a perfect plug-and-play setup, as it doesn't require any additional energy and cash purchasing different adornments. It tends to be utilized by any gadget with a 5-volt USB port, including your telephone charger or power bank with 5 volts. Avoid using a USB port that is higher than 5 volts. With a controller, you can choose from 16 preset tones and 4 modes: streak, strobe, blur, or smooth for remembering the shadings you chose. These lights can easily be adjusted with any TV size from 32-inch to 65-inch. Introducing strip lights is incredibly simple. The self-cement backing tape is mounted on each strip and guarantees enduring grip to any imperfect, dry, or smooth surface. YIVIYAR lightning bolt neon sign. Blue LED light lightning neon lights are perfect to embellish and light up your home and make it more idealistic and marvelous. Everybody at home will feel warm. It is reasonable for use in kids' rooms, quarters, and condos, and ideal for home gatherings, celebrations, and other functions. You and your children will cherish this bedside nightlight. Low-voltage LED neon lights are energy-saving, and their adaptable silicone light strip. The acrylic backplate has no danger of glass breakage. The neon sign gives the correct light yield to your room, which can be enlightened for quite a long time. Powered by USB or 3 AA's, batteries excluded, it incorporates a USB port, simple to convey and illuminate. Regardless of whether it is utilized for outside meals, illuminating the eating table, or utilized for outdoors and traveling, no compelling reason to stress about power supply. Eliminate the base, effortlessly put it in a sack or store it. VRANKY Nightstand Desk Purse Organizer. This handset docking station utilizes strong oak wood with a smooth finish and defensive completion, which will become an eye-catching and extremely functional decoration. It contains 5 sheets and 2 screws, so the stand is not difficult to amass. Put together, manual is attached. Feasible with a wide range of cell phones, this stand additionally has compartments for wallets, reports, glasses, watches, wellness trackers, wristbands, keys, fixed, and so on. However long the charging link is fixed once and afterward the docking station isn't moved, the charging link will be fixed and ready. This phone docking station is an extraordinary birthday present. Surprise your husband, dad, son, boyfriend, brother, your companion, colleague, or boss. It's the best present for Christmas, birthday, Father's Day, and anniversary. Keep your day-by-day used things nearby. ADDALOCK. To resolve your problems regarding your door opening and closing, ADDALOCK is a perfect door lock that can be used on most doors that are hinged and swipe inwards. This lock provides bonus safety and privacy while you're at home, as it installs in seconds without any extra tools and can be used for flat security, has child safety locks, and is great for a secure college hall room. You can easily take it with you whenever you're going on a trip. This lock comes with a metal body that is carved with the ADDALOCK logo and comes with a red ADDALOCK storage pouch. IVATION 126 can beverage refrigerator. This mini refrigerator is perfectly suitable to bring your drink's temperature down within minutes and can provide you chilled drinks very quickly. It's a portable all-in-one kit and can be set up anywhere as it requires no special mounting. It comes with a powerful cooling compressor that can reduce the temperature very quickly. You can use it anywhere in the office, school, kitchen, bedroom, and bars even. Laser star projector. Straightforwardly project the stars, moon, and cloud through the laser bar produced by light-radiating diodes, presenting to you a vivid vision of going into the galaxy. The lucidity of the laser is unrivaled by other brands' LED projectors. The streaming cloud resembles the aurora and effectively makes a sentimental, unwinding, and agreeable environment. It assists with lessening pressure and weakness, loosens up body and mind, and improves dozing. Supports single cycle and two-fold cycle mode angles, timer, and best Starry Night light projector for kids and adults. Using the Bluetooth feature, you can adjust the music according to your requirements. Outlet extender, multi-plug, socket shelf. This multiple channel with a shelf creates extra space for organizing the messy environment around you, as you can put your phone, tablets, and other electronics or household items on this shelf arranger in the bedroom nightstand, dining room, and bathroom as well. With a built-in smart sensor, it automatically turns on to guide you in the dark. Not only this, but it also has a button for it. At the side of this power outlet adapter, you could choose automatic evening mode or turn it off. Simply plug it into most 3-prong power sources, and afterward, change your power source to a divider outlet expander with a rack. Well, there it is, guys. Did you like it? Then show it by clicking the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. Until next time, bye-bye!